In this video, we will be looking at how to import the global sailing schedule in the consolidation module. Navigate to Operate, Forwarding, Consolidations, and a new console screen will open. Click on the New, which will open a new console window. Update and enter the transport mode, agent. Click on the Routing tab and under the grid, click on the Import Global Sailing Schedules. In this example, we are going to search the transshipment routings from VNSGN to US SEA and from US SEA to CAVAN. Once you click on the global sailing schedule, a new global sailing will open where a certain filters like origin, destination, departure, arrival, carrier sec code can be used to limit the search. Update the origin as VNSGN to USSEA. We can use either of the departure date or the arrival date. So as per the example, we can update as 8th of November and the SAC code as CHVW. Click on find. All the available schedules will display here. Review the vessel name, IMO number, voyage details as per the sheet and click on import. The system will import the schedule on the console screen. Continue to enter all the transshipment port and click again on import global sailing schedules. Update the next date as per the schedule and the SAC code of the carrier. The next available schedule will display on the screen. Review the details as per the vessel name, voyage and IMO numbers. Click on import. The schedule will be imported and continue to save the console.